it is specialized. Means everyone like like take some examples of some sports. In sports, there will be people that specialize in only a particular sport. In the same way, the languages, some languages are only specialized for particular things only. These are known as specialized languages. Query languages that you markup languages like HTML, XML. This HTML is very important language for you in web development that you will learn. Like query languages. Where do we use these query languages? These are used in database. SQL, SPR, these all are used in database by domain specified languages. Domain specified language is also nothing but specialized language only. These MATLAB are languages. This MATLAB is used in graphical representation, graphs, signals, image processing. These are some of the languages I have discussed here. Not only these, there are more languages than this that I did not discuss, but no, if you know about more about language, you can Google it, management. Here in memory management, as you can see the flowchart, here there are registers, cache, main memory, electronic disk, magnetic disk, optical disk, magnetic disk. What are these? All these are memory storage devices. These registers are part of CPU. These are unit cells in CPU, which store data. This cache is also a memory shell. To explain cache, I'll take an example. If you have opened a website, in that website, you have opened a website. Website there is a website. There is another. You just link and you go to other. In this website, you click this will take you to another website. Now you take an Instagram or you take Google. In Google, you open the link. You have closed all these websites now. You have closed this one, all these websites, all these links. You have closed all of them. Now you again go to that website and open it. You will see that the website link did not take time. At first, it took example it 2 seconds of load. It took 2 seconds of time to load. But now again open, it will take 2 seconds. It will take time less than 1 second to open. Means it is stored cache memory. What is the advantage here? Once you open the web, any image, any video, it will be stored in the cache memory or in app. It will be stored time lag. The RAM. RAM means, can anybody define RAM? Guys, are you listening?
Yeah, you are audible. Anyone can
Okay.
unmute yourself and respond to that.
Okay. RAM is nothing but random access memory. All of these are the functionality of RAM. In that, the data all is stored when you are running the computer or your laptop. Everything is stored in RAM. When you close this, all the data will be erased from RAM. when you open, it will be fixed totally. This is next coming to electronic disk, magnetic disk, optical disk, magnetic tapes. These are also memory storage devices. Each is of different types. Electronic disk is nothing but electronic components. In magnetic disk, the data is stored. Optical disk is also nothing but optical materials are used. In magnetic tapes, there's some tapes are used which are coated with magnets. These arrows represent the storage capacity. See the arrow which is coming down is the storage capacity. As we go down, the storage capacity increases. And as we go from top bottom, the storage capacity decreases.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking now.
Hmm, wait a minute. Is my voice clear now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry for the network issue. In 2 days it will be fixed. Okay. From this, we will next discuss about memory types. There are mainly two types of memory. Memory is divided into two types. That is heap and stack. First, we'll discuss about stack. I think some of you know stack is nothing but last in, first out, or first in, last out. Hmm. I will take examples of if you go in a function, you will see chairs, or let's take plates, number of plates. Plates, if plates are placed like this, take the last plate, you will first remove the plate which is placed at last. Next, the second plate you will from last to second you will remove it like this. In the same way, that is last in, first out. Or you can call it first in, last out. Now, the stack is known as static memory, while heap is known as dynamic memory. Dynamic dynamic is nothing but the memory that is stored while runtime. What is compiling time and what is runtime? Here, compiling time is nothing but when you run a program. The time taken for it to convert this code into compiler code, it is known as compiling time. And when this code is running, it will be known as runtime. Now let us understand more detail about stack. In our phone, let us take our phone. We have opened a few apps like Insta, Facebook, Amazon, PUBG, WhatsApp, Snapchat, etc. Now you have opened all this. Let us take that first you have opened. Let's take an example of Instagram. You have opened Instagram. In Instagram, you have opened the picture first. This picture is opened here. This picture's address is stored in stack. Let this pick one, picture one. This picture one address will be some 100. This 100 will be stored here. Next, after opening this picture, you have opened the next picture or next site. You have 100. And this address will be stored on the top of 100. And next you have opened an image in this website and let the address be 300. This will be stored on the top of 200. Next you want and you press the back button. As I said, stack is nothing but set or the last image that you have opened. Will be popped out first. Will come out first. Means it will show you first. And next, when and again when you press the back button again, this 300 has come out. Now what is the last one? 200. This 200 will come out. This will be the last. It will pop out. That is last in, first out. Now, next come to the topic. Garbage collection. Generally, what happens? Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, YouTube. You open all these apps. So that RAM became full. Means RAM will have some capacity. All these apps took that capacity. And if when you open a new app, it is not running. It will not run. Means RAM capacity is full. But now, when you want to this new app will open. What happens here? The RAM is full, but still the new app has opened.
Sorry guys, I think she left a minute. Give me a second. గైస్ ఇప్పుడు వరకు అయింది అంటే ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉందా? ఏదైనా నాకు ఐ థింక్ లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ టైమ్. ఓకే, నేను ఒక రియల్ వరల్డ్ సినారియో చెప్పను. హౌ ఎలా అవుతుంది ఏంటి నా స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తాను. జామ్ని ఆర్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను. Is my screen visible? You can unmute your
Sorry, guys.
microphone.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I think she will continue the class.
Sorry, guys. Sorry for not observed. The net was disconnected. Had not observed it. Sorry. Can I know from where the topic has been disconnected?
Which
Memory
topic?
types, ma'am.
Okay,
Memory types. Okay. I'll continue it again.
you can share your screen.
Ah, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Yeah, ma'am.
Guys, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry for the interruption. Sorry. Okay. Memory types. Memory last in first out. Means, let's take the plate. Next on the top you have placed another plate. On the top you have placed another plate. On top you have placed another one. So to remove the first plate you have placed at the top, go first out. Then there's last to second one. Then last to third one. Then the last one will. Then the first one will go out. In this way, in stack also stack also work in the last in first out. I'll also explain a real life example. Next, this stack is nothing but static memory. While heap is nothing but dynamic memory. Static memory is nothing but the memory that is occupied in compile time. While dynamic memory is nothing but the memory that is allocated during runtime. You'll understand about dynamic memory and static memory as we go on in our course. Hello, Alice. I thought you were listening to the class. Let me hear it first. Okay. Let's understand about web. Instead, let's take Instagram or any website. The first website you have opened, it will not come. The last website you have opened, it will come. It will pop up on your screen. Means tag is nothing but last in first out. Means the last website you
Guys, is she left a minute? Hello? Hello, am I audible?
It's
Yeah,
audible.
sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna continue the class.
No, no.
Um, what she is trying to say is, let's take two memories. Maybe we have RAM, right, in our phone. Mine is 6 GB RAM, and maybe your mobile might have 4 GB or 8 GB, something like that. And when we open an app in our mobile, like open different types of apps in our mobile. For example, you open PhonePe, you open Amazon, uh, PUBG or Instagram, etc., etc. And what will happen in RAM, let's assume it's a RAM, and if for every app, mem a memory will be allocated. A memory will be allocated. If you open the Instagram app, the memory will be allocated. Let's assume this is the memory that's allocated for the Instagram. What we're gonna do? What memory will be divided into stack and deep memory. Am I audible? And is my screen sharing?
Audible, but speak some loudly.
Okay. Is my screen sharing? Is my screen sharing?
Yeah, share.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's assume we have a memory like this. I have 6 GB RAM memory, and I open different apps like Instagram, whatever maybe. I open different types of apps, and a small amount of memory space was allocated for that app. For example, for my Instagram app, this is the memory space allocated. This memory space gonna divide into two parts, which is stack and heap. Okay.
Okay.
We will get to know about this deeply when we go into the other chapters, other systems. Currently, the memory gonna divide like this when we open an app. Okay, it's gonna happen when we are using it daily. We are using our mobiles daily, right? So it's happening internally in our mobile or in our computer. The next topic is what happens if our memory becomes full. Like we have a memory space for 4 GB RAM. I open different types of apps like PUBG took me 1.6 GB memory space in the RAM, and Amazon took nearly 600 GB of RAM, 600 MB of RAM, and other apps some spaces. What if I want to open some other apps? Like I want to open Twitter again, which is what happens is in Python, uh, we have a concept called garbage collection. What does it do is it clears the data that we are not using. It colors the data which we are not using. Like uh, if we opened an app like Meesho, Meesho app which is a shopping app, uh, we open it and we are not using it. Then what garbage collection will do is it will automatically clear the app. Means it will remove from the recent apps. If we take our phone, it will automatically clear the. It's not going exactly what I said, but it's an example to understand for you. And what will happen is garbage collection will automatically clear the storage that taken by some application. That's what garbage collection will do. Do you have any doubts regarding this? How memory will allocated other stuff? You can ask right now. After the doubts clarified, I will go to the next topic. Do you have any doubts regarding this? You can ask in the chat also. Am I audible?
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ చాలా చిన్నగా వస్తుంది సార్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ సౌండ్స్ వస్తుంది సార్
Okay. ఇప్పటివరకు టాపిక్ అర్థమైందా? ప్రాబ్లమా ఆర్ మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేయాలి? ఇప్పుడు వాయిస్ ఓకేనా?
ఓకే.
సార్ మెటీరియల్ పీడిఎఫ్ గ్రూప్ లో షేర్ చేస్తారా సార్?
షేర్ చేస్తా, మొత్తం షేర్ చేస్తా, డాక్యుమెంట్ చేసి షేర్ చేస్తా. బేసిక్లీ ఇది ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, దిస్ ఈస్ ద స్టార్టింగ్ సెషన్. We have some issues with internet. From tomorrow we will resolve all these issues, and ఇది చాలా బేసిక్ సెషన్, మీకు అందరికీ ఆల్రెడీ తెలిసే ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఎవరికైనా ఆల్రెడీ నిన్న అడిగాం, ఎవరికైనా ఏమైనా తెలుసు అని. చాలా మంది పైథాన్ బేసిక్స్ తెలుసు, జావా బేసిక్స్ తెలుసు, ఎస్క్యూఎల్ తెలుసు అని చాలా మంది అన్నారు. సో ఇది అందరికీ ఈజీ అయి ఉంటుంది, మేము చెప్పినవి కూడా ఈజీగా అర్థమై ఉంటుంది, ఆల్రెడీ మీకు తెలిసి ఉంటుంది. సో చాలా స్పీడ్గా వెళ్తుంది. అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇంటర్నెట్ ఇష్యూ, ఎందుకంటే తను యూట్యూబ్లో లైవ్ స్ట్రీమ్ చేస్తుంది అండ్ మీకు ఇక్కడ మీట్లో కూడా షేర్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఇంటర్నెట్ ఇష్యూ, రేపు నుంచి వీ విల్ సాల్వ్ దిస్ ఇష్యూ. అండ్ ఇది మళ్ళీ కంటిన్యూ చేయను, ఇంకోసారి చెప్పనా? You can
We will
respond now.
understand,
Hi
sir.
guys, sorry I have rejoined here. Sorry for everything today. I have no discontinuity from next class onwards. Sorry for today.
You can share your screen share.
Guys, are you interested to continue the class? Or can I continue it tomorrow? It's your wish. I can continue it now. But if you think it's more time, you're not interested, then I'll continue it from tomorrow.
Continue
Can I hear
it
your
tomorrow.
opinion?
Tomorrow, madam.
Continue it on tomorrow, ma'am.
Okay, from tomorrow we'll continue.
Okay,
Okay,
guys,
guys, sorry.
for the
And thanks
disturbance.
for being. Guys, are you interested to continue the class? Means it has taken a lot of time. It's 8:20.
Screen share.
Guys, are you interested to continue the class? Or can I continue it tomorrow? It's your wish. I can continue it now.